Hello guys, today I am going to show you a very nice dish recipe. This dish called as Chun or spring rolls. As usual, get ready your ingredient first. Main ingredient about 500 grams of minced pork and prawn 4 to 5. Depend on the sizes. You can put more of it if you are prawn lover. Next is the side ingredient, which is egg, carrot, shallot and garlic. While for the seasoning powder are white pepper and salt. For the powder will be cassava flour and all-purpose flour. You need bean curd skin as well. Get the thin type. Now get all ingredients minced. Here are those ingredient need to mince. Oh my god. Hate the fly. Prawn attract fly. Oh yeah. You need soya sauce and sesame oil as well. On the same time can prepare the coated batter. Buy the all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. Get the fresh egg ready as well, and a big bowl for mixing. This is all you need. Now we start the mixing. Put all the ingredient into the bowl and start to mix it. Carrot, prawn. Mix a bit first, then add again. Garlic and shallot. Mix again. Use your hand to knead it better. You can knead it, smash it or stir it as you like. Repeat this process until the ground meat became slightly sticky. Once the ground meat became slightly sticky like this, add the seasoning powder and sauce. White pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, one tablespoon salt, agak. After add knead again to make it even. Then add eggs and a tablespoon of cassava flour. Continue knead until it became sticky. Can test the taste first before go to wrapping steps. If you want more spicy, then add more white pepper. Cut the bean curd skin to few pieces. Compare it to my palm. Haha. Clean the surface of the bean curd skin. Wish water to remove the salty surface and make it soft for wrapping purpose. Now we start the wrapping steps. Align properly the bean curd skin first. Then prepare a steaming plate with apply some cooking oils on the surface of the plate. Now take some portion of the ground meat and final smash it by your hand. This is to make the meat more compact and taste better. Now start to wrap it. Make the ground meat as fit as possible. Cut the excessive bean curd skin after roll it up. Final fold both sides to prevent leak out from the end. Once wrap all, then we proceed to steaming steps. Get the water boiled first, then just put in the steaming plate. Cover back and steam for 10 minutes. Our inner meat is cooked and let it cool down first. Once cooled down, dip the roll into prepared batter and deep fried it. Your Chinese spring rolls is ready when it became to golden color. Now please enjoy. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.